Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Sheets weighted average function. This is a powerful tool that helps you calculate averages where some values matter more than others, like calculating final grades where exams count more than homework. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard, where all your files and apps are accessible. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to use the weighted average function. This could be a grade sheet, a project tracker, or any spreadsheet where you need to calculate weighted values. Once your spreadsheet opens, you're ready to begin working with the function. Now, there are actually two ways you can use this function, and I'll walk you through both of them. The first method is the single weighted average approach. Click on the cell where you want your result to appear. In that cell, type equals average.weighted and then an open parenthesis. This is the start of your function. Next, click and drag to select the cell range that contains your first data set. For example, if you're working with grades, select the column labeled grade. After selecting this range, type a comma. This tells the function you're about to specify the weights. Now select the range that contains your weight values, for instance, the percent column. Finally, close the function with a closing parenthesis and hit enter. The weighted average will calculate instantly based on these two ranges. Now let's look at the second option, which is the manual method that gives you more control. Click on a different cell where you want another weighted average result. Again, type equals average.weighted and an open parenthesis. Click and select the cell range of your grade column, then add a comma. Select the range of your percent column and add another comma. Here's where this method differs. Select the range of your grade column once more and add another comma. Then select the range of the column labeled manual weighting. Close the function with a closing parenthesis and press enter. This method allows you to apply multiple sets of weights to your data, giving you more flexibility in your calculations. And that's it. You now have weighted averages calculated in your Google Sheet using both the single and manual methods. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.